Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at the SPY, the IWM, the Qs, the DIA, and the IYT. We follow the daily, weekly, monthly time frames. We use technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you like these videos, go to my website, sign up, it's free, or click down here in the bottom right-hand corner and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Traders, if you're looking for a new broker, check these guys out, CobraTrading.com/promo/StockBookie. If you're an active trader, give them a call. Tell them StockBookie sent you. Best in the business. Been using these guys for years. Never had a problem. Again, check them out. CobraTrading.com. All right, daily chart. 59 million on the day. 9 cents up, but some great intraday action, guys. Check this out. 10-minute. Janet, a little bit of lip service, comes right down, fills the gap, goes to the even number of 249. Boom, right back up. Buy the dip mentality, alive and well. So no raising the rates, but unwinding the balance sheet. I think the free money policy is going away. That's not good for the markets. But right now, as long as the light volume prevails, we will keep floating. This is standard here, guys. Goes up, sideways, goes up, sideways, goes up, sideways. Now, is this going to go sideways? Let the 20 MA curl in the price, and then boom, takes off. If we do go up 255 to 260, let's see how it handles it. 250, we've been here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. Good consolidation above the MAs, strong stance. Nothing wrong, guys. So let's see if this thing can continue sideways and chop around, setting up for the next wave up. If this starts to slip, you've got to get below these MAs, fill this gap, and then we'll talk about possible lower prices. So this thing stays up, the 200 MA keeps curling. So right now it's at 237.83. I think that's the first price target if we start going down. We have some gaps to fill, stuff like that. But guys, this is getting a little bit long in the tooth. We are still in an uptrend here, still in this channel. We're in the upper range of it, but just keep an eye, just stay buoyant in these markets. I just don't trust them, to be quite honest with you. But hey, what a hell of a rally. We're almost into a 10-year rally from the 2007 highs, guys. So keep an eye on that as well. All right, let's go into the IWM. Remember this one, kids? This one was lagging. Remember, we kind of came up here, hit the 618, pulled back, boom, straight back up. It's back to the all-time highs, guys. Why not? When this one's lagging, it's telling you the markets are a little bit weak, but boom, right back to the top again. It's just pretty amazing, guys. Buy the dip. We hit this bottom lower trend line here. Never looked back, straight up for the last, I don't know, month and a half or so. Pretty much standard stuff. Now remember, though, this one's been pretty choppy up and down action, but in this range, bull flag going back to December. If we go into the bigger time frame, you can see it a little bit better. Does this bull flag play out? I mean, it's choppy and sloppy, but man, look, up, sideways. This is setting up for a possible up move. We have to get past the 145 area and this upper trend line. If we can't crack through that upper trend line right around the 145.50 area, then this one's going to have problems going up. I mean, we had a nice 5-week rally here up into the all-time highs. So let's see what happens in the next couple days with the Fed announcement. They're unwinding the balance sheet and all that good stuff. You know, just more lip service. All we need is a couple more upgrades out there to the Apples and the Nvidias and everything else, and this market should continue going. But again, one thing that bothers me, guys, this light jicky-jack volume, guys. You got to have more volume in this, especially for moving up and want some conviction move. This is just going up on you know, just floating right into the Fed announcement at the highs. It's pretty incredible, guys. Pretty incredible. But right now, IWM back above all the MAs, strong stance. What a nice move. Let's see if we can continue up, or do we start going sideways for the next wave up, or do we just hit double top and come right back in? Going to have good support here, some resistance up in this area. Let's see how this thing reacts in the next couple days going into the Friday close. So I'm going to put a high here. So you got the high at the 144.29 or 25 or so. Let's see if we could kiss that and then consolidate and then maybe pop up. Again, 145, 150. If this thing does pull back, I think we could get to 138, 134, and then possibly lower if it can. If we do, guys. This was a nice pullback, though. Hats off. This was enough to get everyone out of their, you know, dump their calls right here. Boom, get the double bottom. Boom, goes up. Everyone chases it here. We got paid on that one with the calls. But we are overall short the indexes, and I'm going to stick with it, guys. That's what I do here at StockBookie.com. All right, let's go into the Qs. And we use options. We play it both ways, guys. I don't care long or short. But right now we're short a lot of these indexes and just taking them off one at a time. This one too, guys, look at that. Straight up, sideways chop. I mean, this is just decaying the puts, decaying everything pretty much. I mean, you got a nice move up here where the call options would blow up a little bit, but right back in the double top, stalls out. Now it's been stalling here again. Remember, going up on light volume, just can't handle it. Double top, a lot of people got stuck in here. Look at the volume on that candle, and then look at the volume going up here. Just can't handle that big red candle. You need more volume to push through there. You got a lot of bag holders here, and whoever got stuck in here when it came down to the 140 area, you know, they were only a couple bucks out of the money, but right when they come back in, they're like, you know what, I'm taking my money. That's it. So it pulls back a little bit, still above the 20, the 50, and the 200. Still a strong stance, but let's see what happens. Let's go back a little bit here. Yeah, I mean, this thing pulls up, pulls back, goes right back up, chops, right back up, chopping around. Let's see if we can hold the 20 and the 50. We still have a gap. Well, we filled it. Well, look at that. We filled the gap today, it looks like. So that's another reason why we got to bounce. Let's see where this gap is at. The gap is at right. Yeah, look at that. Oh my gosh, almost to the penny. So the gap here at 144.23. Low of the day, 144.23. Wow. And straight back up, guys. It's pretty amazing. We had some volume in here, but we had the news with the Fed and all that stuff. So right back up, save the day. Almost, well, 45 cents down. I'm surprised they didn't get it to the 200 MA or positive on the day. So they have a little bit of work tomorrow to do. But watch out for these markets, guys. Coming into the end of September, going into October, and with her unwinding the balance sheet, not good news in my opinion. We could keep floating, I get that, but just stay alert in these markets, especially if you're long. So again, bullish, just chopping around, got back above the MAs, still stalling out, came back in, had the 20 MA for support and the gap fill, held it, popped right back up. So let's see what it gives us in the next couple days in the Friday close. Let's go into the DIA. DIA made all-time highs today. That's going to be news on, this is how it works, guys. Every day we make a new all-time high. Every day it's on the 10 o'clock news, wherever you are in the United States. New highs for the Dow, new highs for the Dow. So this is getting everybody. After you see 5 new highs on the Dow, you know, on the close, you almost have to buy it if you're just a normal retail trader sitting out, waiting for the pullback. It's like, holy cow, I'm missing the rally. 225. 230 area, then 235. We talked about 215 and hit that. Talked about 220, went into that. Now we had 225, 230, 235 in the cards. Let's see if this can continue up. We talked about this bullish pattern here, and just starting to play out. Just grinding, guys. That's what this market does, is grind. I mean, we have a uptrend here. I still think we're going back down to the November lows. It's just a matter of time. Right here was just the Trump trade. Everything's great. Blah, blah, blah. But we did have a little bit of a breakout here, and it's continuing up with some confirmation up in this area, as long as we're following through. But volume's just okay. I want to see more volume on this to solidify the next up move. If it grinds up, so be it. Let it grind up. But 225, 230 will be your next areas of resistance on the DIA. New all-time highs, guys. It's awesome. Just keep it going. Keep it going. And then the IYT. Remember this one. We always talk about it lagging. And when it was down here, they must be watching my videos. It's like, man, if this one keeps lagging, it's not good for the markets. Just like down here, guys. Start lagging, and all of a sudden, out of the blue, straight up. This one's starting to lag. All of a sudden, out of the blue, straight up. It did make a, right here, we made a lower high, but nothing big. But now we're starting, we made a higher low here. This is hard to say. We did have a gap fill right here, though. That's what pretty much held this one up. And if you take a bigger Fibonacci retrace, let's take it from this guy to here. Where was it? Yeah, look at that. Shoot, 750 right there as well. So you had great support here. Boom, right back up. Bullish flag here. We're starting to pop. We did fill the gap. Seemed to go right through. Let's see how we deal with double top up here around 175.75. Once we get to that area, then we're going to redetermine if this thing can possibly go higher. If it can get through that 175.75, then you're looking at 180, possibly 185 if this thing starts going. But if this bullish flag comes right back in and reverses, then you're looking for lower prices to come. So let's see what happens tomorrow on Friday and on the weekly close, and we'll take it from there. But we did fill the gap, and it's looking pretty good, guys. But overall, guys, the light volume market continues. We just keep floating. Oil's going up and down. You got gold flying. You got the dollar just getting crushed, and today it went up. A lot of stuff going on in these light volume markets. We got upgrades like Nvidia, you know, at the all-time highs, 250. Then today, Tesla came out and announced they're not using their chips or something. Nvidia goes down, AMD goes up. It's a news-driven market right now, guys. So I'm staying short. I'm just adding as we go. And if positions are coming in, we're pulling them off one by one. I just set them and forget them, guys. I do a lot of intraday stuff. I've been doing a little bit more with calls and puts, and just trying to make money out there intraday and short-term day trading and stuff like that. So again, thanks for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. And God bless. See you on the charts.